Yeah. Yo, what time the plane leaving? Alright, see you at the airport.
Memories don't live like people do. They always remember you, whether things are good or bad. It's just the memories. Memories don't live like people do. Baby, don't forget me. I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but God willing, I'm coming back to you, my baby boo. I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but God willing, I'm coming back to you, baby boo. I'm leaving.
We'll go ahead and leave the call heard around the world from the wise of MCs. These cats is paying more than half a pound. My garment back and snatch it down. I got the skate, but we could probably run them back in town. Scenarios like this is tear jerkers for the modern MC. I eat a blue collar worker, cause this thing called rhyming no different from coal mining. We both on assignment to unearth the diamond. When you start climbing and them eyes start shining, you be struggling and striving and they think you prime time and maintain and keep silent. Make note and observation. It's confrontation. This is the daily operation. My concentration. Stay focused on my recitation. About to reach my destination with no pause or hesitation. Baby, make the preparation, cause this ain't no recreation. This is pro ball. And we letting you know, y'all, at the show, y'all. Doing this for dough, y'all. Get the phone call. And I'm ready to blow, y'all. About to go, y'all. Been a pleasure to know, y'all. And I'm letting you know that
Memories don't live like people do. They always remember you, whether things are good or bad. It's just the memories. Memories don't live like people do. Baby, don't forget me. I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but God willing, I'm coming back to you, my baby boo. I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but inshallah, I'm coming back to you, baby boo. I'm leaving.
but God willing, I'll be back home to drop these heavy ass bags up my backbone. Around the world with a catalog of rap songs. My baby girl is walking, been away for that long. But no, you haven't, well, at least it's how it seemed to me. My hometown is like a whole different scenery. The old timers on the stoop leaning leisurely. The new jacks up in the park smoking greenery. Easily taken for granted when you up in it, but it's sweet sinning when you been down for a minute. Move around city limits, break them down with the vintage. The innovative, classical b-boy image. Collect the winners, cause that's the reason that we came here. This thing is not a game here. The fortune, not the fame here. From New York to the Cadillacs, Cali and the Cadillac, Chicago, know we innovate. Infiltrate Virginia State, DC make me stimulate. Philly, know we penetrate. Georgia make us generate. Let's set a date to get the pace. They celebrate to my jams in foreign lands. Even your mans in Japan know who I am. Mina son, make everybody out in the panze Ichiban, make God man know where you get it from. Phenomenon, excuse me, that's a phone call. It's a show, y'all. Trying to get this dough, y'all. About to blow, y'all. Been a pleasure to know, y'all. And I'm letting you know
that memories don't live like people do. They always remember you, whether things are good or bad. It's just the memories. Memories don't live like people do. Baby, don't forget me. I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. I got a lot of things I got to do, but inshallah I'm coming back to you, baby boo. I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do, but God willing, I'm coming back to you, back to